The Shopify affiliate program offers an enticing opportunity for individuals and businesses to earn money by promoting one of the leading e-commerce platforms globally. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricate details of how to effectively leverage the Shopify affiliate program to generate income. Introduction to Shopify Affiliate Program. Shopify, founded in 2006, has emerged as a powerhouse in the e-commerce industry, empowering millions of entrepreneurs to establish and scale their online businesses. The Shopify Affiliate Program allows individuals to earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. With its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and customizable options, Shopify appeals to a wide range of merchants, making it an attractive product to promote. Getting started. The first step in monetizing the Shopify affiliate program is signing up for the program itself. The process is straightforward and can typically be completed on Shopify's official website. Upon approval, affiliates gain access to a personalized dashboard where they can track their referrals, monitor commissions, and access promotional materials. Understanding commission structure. Before diving into promotional strategies, it's essential to understand how commissions are structured within the Shopify affiliate program. Affiliates earn a commission for each successful referral that results in a new Shopify user signing up for a paid plan. Commissions can vary depending on the type of plan the referred user selects, with higher tier plans typically offering larger commissions. Promotional strategies. Producing high-quality content that educates and informs your audience about the benefits of Shopify is paramount. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, or social media content. Focus on addressing pain points, providing solutions, and highlighting success stories of Shopify users. 2. Search engine optimization SEO ***. Optimizing your content for search engines is crucial for attracting organic traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms and phrases that potential Shopify users are searching for. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your content to improve visibility and drive organic traffic to your affiliate links. 3. Email marketing ***. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote Shopify through targeted email campaigns. Offer valuable incentives such as exclusive discounts or free resources to incentivize sign-ups through your affiliate links. 4. Social media promotion ***. Leverage the power of social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Share engaging content, participate in relevant communities and forums, and interact with your followers to build credibility and trust. Incorporate your affiliate links discreetly within your social media posts or bio. 5. Paid advertising ***. Supplement your organic promotional efforts with targeted paid advertising campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, And Instagram ads offer precise targeting options to reach potential Shopify users. Experiment with different ad formats, audiences, and messaging to optimize your campaign performance. Tracking and optimization. Regularly monitor your affiliate dashboard to track your referrals, monitor commission earnings, and identify areas for improvement. Analyze the performance of your promotional efforts and experiment with different strategies to optimize conversions. Split testing, A/B testing, and data analysis are invaluable tools for refining your approach and maximizing your earnings potential. Compliance and ethical considerations. It's essential to comply with Shopify's affiliate program terms and guidelines to maintain your eligibility and reputation as an affiliate. Avoid unethical practices such as spamming, misleading advertising, or promoting counterfeit products. Always provide genuine and transparent recommendations to your audience, prioritizing their best interests above all else. Conclusion. The Shopify affiliate program presents a lucrative opportunity for individuals and businesses alike to monetize their influence and expertise in the e-commerce space by implementing effective promotional strategies. Understanding the commission structure and continuously optimizing your efforts, you can capitalize on the growing demand for e-commerce solutions and generate a sustainable income stream through the Shopify affiliate program. Please like, share, and making
subscribe.
money through the Shopify affiliate program involves promoting Shopify to potential users and earning commissions for each successful referral. Here's how to get started. Optimize for conversions. Continuously test and optimize your promotional efforts to increase conversions and maximize your earnings potential. Thanks for watching.